We're gonna go drink some creek water. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. I'll try this at home. I'll let you know if I get horrible diarrhea.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hey friends, before we jump into today's video, we are working on a canning course. All the things you need to know about canning. If this is something that you're interested in, click the link below and we will get you the info you need to be on that list when we release that course.
Here's a video. What's up guys, it's Clint with Around the House. So today I want to talk about food storage, food prep, food shortages, all that stuff. So as you know, the last few years have been very weird. We've seen empty grocery store shelves, which can be a little weird, you know? We're not used to that. I'm a child of the 80s. We've never experienced anything like that, but we don't have to be freaked out. We can be prepared. I'm not some hardcore prepper guy by any means, but I do think it makes sense to be prepared and have some food on hand and some long-term food storage in place. So one of the main things we do is we do a lot of canning. So we have canned goods. Kids are riding this morning. Always important to grow your own food. Look at this beautiful garden that my wife has made. She works hard out here and we get a lot of food from this. Obviously another great way to make sure you have food, chickens. Speaking of food, anything under there?
Ooh!
Nope.
Yes, I saw an egg coming.
You did? Oh yeah. Sweet.
Food.
That's food right there. Don't rely on systems that have been around forever, because as we've seen in the last couple of years, things change. But today mainly I want to talk about some products I picked up on mypatriotsupply.com. I'll leave a website in the description below. This is not sponsored by any means. I bought these with my own money. First thing we got was some butter powder. And the idea is here that we always have butter available. If we can't buy it for some reason or we can't make our own, you know, we can whip up some butter really quick. So this is, the brand is Ready Hour. And again, I got it on mypatriotsupply.com. One of the things we love about it, made in the USA. I don't know if you can see that there. And yeah, basically it is exactly what you think. You mix it with water and you have butter. This we're really not going to open unless things get really bad and we're desperate for some butter. But once opened, let me see here, it says the shelf life is good up to 10 years when sealed and up to 1 year once it's opened. One of the other things we do for food is we got these totes, and we got a new bed frame, which is awesome because it's super high. I'll leave a link to this bed frame in our description. It's been awesome because we've been able to store so many totes under here now, and we have limited storage at our house. So if you have limited storage, these totes work great. So this one's kind of canned goods. So just some different beans, peanut butter, more beans, some staples. I'm gonna put that butter powder in here. Olive oil, you know, things like that. We do keep newspaper around. If you ever need to start a fire, newspaper is great kindling. And you know, again, nothing crazy, but if there was a scenario where we needed food for a couple weeks, we would be fine. So the other thing I picked up, just to have on hand, is a heat source. So these are 6-hour canned heat. So it's basically like a candle, chafing fuel. It's basically like a candle. I don't know if you've been to catering events where they have trays of food. They have something like this underneath that. But these are supposed to last 6 hours each. Worst case scenario, you don't have access to a fire or something, you do still have a heat source. Hey, you're just in time. Great thing to have on hand to cook your food, obviously. So the other thing I got was a survival spring. So it's basically like a straw with a filter in it. So you literally suck up the water straight out of a pond or something and you have clean water. So you want to test that today?
In the creek?
Should we do it in the creek?
There's too many snakes. I don't want to suck up a snake.
We'll try it. We won't suck up snakes.
Okay, good.
So this is 2,400 calorie emergency rations. So this is like if we are going to die, we have food available. This is a little on the crazy side, but I thought it'd be fun to just get them and try them. So I got a couple packs of these. 12 bars, 5-year shelf life, and again, made in the USA. So let's give these a try.
What are they? What are they?
It's a little bar that has lots of calories. So if you run out of food, you can survive. So we're gonna try one of these together.
What'd you say?
It smells kind of good. Smell it.
Let me smell it. Yeah.
It smells kind of good. So it's a little crumbly. You wanna try it? You want me to try it first? It tastes dry, but it's not bad. Kind of tastes like oatmeal or something. It's not bad, right?
I'll try that. I'm gonna need that for a snack.
2,400 calories. 2,400 calories in one little bar, so that's pretty wild.
Come more.
Can't imagine they're super healthy, but they're more for sustenance. They're pretty good, actually.
Can you smell them? It's good.
What, first impression?
Good.
What's it taste like?
It tastes pretty good, but I don't really like the aftertaste.
What do you think?
Tastes like oatmeal.
It does kind of taste like oatmeal.
It's not very dry.
It's really dry.
I'll taste some. Tastes like it's made of wheat.
It does say all natural, no preservatives, and non-thirst quenching. Or sorry, non-thirst provoking. So it's supposed to not make you more thirsty, but it's definitely pretty dry.
It's making me thirsty.
It says you can eat solid or mix it with water too. So I guess if you mix it with water, it'd probably be better. It'd probably be more like oatmeal, but not bad at all. If you were starving, literally quite literally starving, this would not be a bad option to sustain you. So not bad. Not bad at all. The next thing we're going to test is the Field Ready Water Filter Survival Spring. It says it filters up to 300 gallons from a fresh water source. So you could literally drink from a pond or creek or something. All right, so it does have a lanyard so you can put it around your neck. The bottom, this is where you could screw in a water bottle down here. This is your straw. So there was directions. So a lot of these like water filters, you gotta prime and stuff. You stick it in water for 10 seconds. And then you take 5 to 7 quick draws from the mouthpiece to bring the water up through the straw.
How's it taste? That's how
Like there's a new filter in there.
That's the best water I've ever tasted. Can I taste it, Dad?
So who's brave enough to try some creek water?
Me, I'll definitely try it. Although get in the boots, Carson. Yes, I am.
So we need a bottle that'll screw on here so we can try creek water.
Drink creek water.
We're gonna go drink some creek water. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Don't try this at home. I'll let you know if I get horrible diarrhea.
Yeah!
We're very blessed to live near a creek. You know, times get tough, we got a water source. So it's really nice. But this time of year, there are snakes everywhere. Beautiful creek. All right, guys, so life lesson, never, ever, ever drink creek water
Without a filter.
without a filter like this or boiling the water. You always boil the water and that kills all the bad stuff in it.
All right.
Here goes nothing, guys.
How's it taste? Can I please taste it? Can I taste it?
It's not bad.
Ed, can I taste it? I'd really love to taste it. Say something. tastes better. It tastes like our water. It tastes like crawfish.
They said to blow on it to clean it out. We drank creek water. I guess we'll find out either today or tomorrow if we get explosive diarrhea.
Yeah.
But one last look at it here. This is the Alexa Pure
Tell it to poo-poo.
Survival Spring. Kind of cool. Obviously, this is not just for survival things. You could take this on a long hike. You know, if you're not sure you'll have access to clean water, you won't be able to boil, you know, creek water off or something around a campfire. This is something you could put in your back pocket and take with you and, you know, get a drink along your journey. So not just for survival, but thought it'd be kind of fun to test it here today. Thanks for watching. Again, I'll leave links in the description below if you want to check it out. MyPatriotSupply.com. They have all kinds of stuff on there. We're going to continue to post videos about food preservation and long-term food storage, things like that. If you're interested in learning more, leave a comment below. We have some really cool stuff in the works that we're excited to share with you guys. So leave a comment if you're interested in learning how to can and how to grow your own food, things like that. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.